Check this Cadillac out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1959 Cadillac custom built La Grande 1. It is a one-off, all steel vehicle. Custom mixed paint color with 7 coats of clear on it. Powered by an LS1 crate engine. Automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the bright work chrome up front on this. Of course, that 59 iconic front end. We're going to take a look underneath the hood too, show you that, start it up, let you hear it run. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us. 507-386-1726. Cadillac spoked wheels. Wide white wall radial tires. The Grand one, you're going to see that throughout this car with some of the emblems and the markings on it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Definitely a showstopper here. This one will turn some heads. So built into a Roadster, and again, all steel. Custom interior everywhere you look on this vehicle is custom. From interior, carpeting, gauges, stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. Fender skirts, of course the 59 fins on it. Chrome in the rear, also showing very well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. When we say the Grand one, look at that from the rear to the front. That is no joke. Also will come with a placard for car shows. Also has its own little apparel. I'm going to send the previous La Grande plate with it. That will go along with the car. There's also a folder, a bunch of pictures done from photo shoots of this car that will go along with it. And check that stuff all out with the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can see those. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. We're going to start it up. Check out the engine bay before this video is over too. And you can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, major scratches, anything like that. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Tilt column. You also have the custom formed dash. Center gauge cluster, like I mentioned, the Pioneer stereo system, center console, armrest with storage compartment, custom colored LED lighting throughout the interior, sill plates, just everywhere you look on this car, it is custom. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. It's fun to check out. Notice something a little different every time. All right, let's go ahead and fire up this LS1. So here's how it's going to work. That will initiate the ignition, fuel pump, all of that. We're going to go ahead and push the start button. See your gauges here. And again, under dash lighting. Custom colored LED once again. Touch screen, maybe not. I've not played around with the stereo enough to. There it is. So it is a touch screen. Of course, that custom windshield. Now, like I said, this is a Roadster. No side glass. You can see where you'd have a cockpit cover, be able to hook up inside of that. Slip around the back, so you can hear it run. Good sounding car. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, because I definitely want to show you this engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Finished as nicely as the exterior of the car. There it is, that LS1. Of course, headers, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator, all the polish and the bright work you could ever imagine under here. Want to turn some heads? This one will definitely do it. 1959 custom one-off Cadillac. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.